Can you buy bonds on Webull? Webull has emerged as a notable player in the online brokerage space, recently expanding its offerings to include government bonds. This addition opens up new investment avenues for users, allowing them to explore the fixed income market more comprehensively. Understanding bonds and their role as a secure investment can significantly benefit those looking to diversify their portfolios and ensure regular income. Bonds function like loans made by an investor to a borrower, typically a corporation or government. When you buy a bond, you are essentially lending money in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the principal amount on a specified maturity date. This arrangement is appealing for investors seeking predictable income, as most bonds provide regular interest payments, known as coupon payments. Government bonds, particularly those issued by the U.S. Treasury, are often viewed as one of the safest investment options due to the backing of the federal government. Webull now offers several types of bonds, including Treasury bonds, bills, and notes, allowing investors to access secure investments with a minimum starting amount of $1,000. Treasury securities are known for their reliability and are an excellent option for conservative investors looking to mitigate risks. While these bonds can offer a steady income stream, they are not entirely without risks, such as interest rate fluctuations and inflation, which can erode purchasing power over time. The variety of bonds available on Webull caters to different investor needs. Government bonds are favored for their stability, while municipal bonds can provide tax advantages, and corporate bonds may offer higher yields at increased risk. Investors can also consider foreign bonds for diversification, although these may introduce additional risks such as currency fluctuations or political instability. The recent inclusion of government bonds on Webull's platform represents a significant step for users interested in enhancing their investment strategies. Investing in bonds through Webull has several advantages. The platform's commission-free structure allows users to buy and sell without incurring additional costs, making it accessible for those just starting. Webull also provides educational resources through Webull Learn, ensuring investors are well informed about their choices, which can help them navigate the complexities of bond investing more effectively. On the downside, the fixed nature of bond returns may not appeal to all investors, particularly those seeking high growth potential. While bonds are generally less volatile than stocks, they can still be impacted by rising interest rates, which may lead to declines in bond prices. Furthermore, the minimum investment requirement might be a barrier for some, limiting access to this asset class. In conclusion, Webull's expansion into government bonds offers a valuable opportunity for investors to diversify their portfolios and secure a steady income stream. By understanding the mechanics of bonds and the types available, investors can make informed decisions that align with their financial goals. Webull's user-friendly platform, combined with its commitment to providing educational resources, positions it as a suitable option for those looking to venture into the world of fixed-income investments. As the platform continues to evolve, investors can look forward to more offerings that may enhance their investment experience.